Things can only get better. Hi, my name is Joe O'Connor, founder and CEO of the Transformer Company, and my mission is to help 1 million entrepreneurs and veterans achieve the dreams, goals and aspirations they deserve. Things can only get better. Well, that's my true belief, because I am the forever optimist. And what am I talking about? Well, today I'm just finishing a couple of days at the Professional Advisor, the Northern Retreat. We talked about lots and lots of things. We had some great investment companies with us, and a lot of my friends were up on stage talking about it. And I asked some pertinent questions. For instance, what's going to happen with the UK interest? And actually it is the 17th of June 2026 today, and the Monetary Policy Committee will be meeting to discuss that. And yesterday we had the Fed in America, the US, and they held interest rates. I believe, like, the forecasters have been saying that we're going to have interest rate hikes, right? And we were going to have a number of hikes just because what went on in Iran, which wasn't expected, and has been a bit of a test for the market and had inflationary pressures. The thing is, though, that core inflation, because I was talking to an eminent economist, and the core inflation has been dropping, even though the CPI and the food inflation and the stuff that economists are always talking about has risen. So what does that mean? Right, well, if the core inflation is coming down, my belief is that we're going to have one, maybe two interest rate reductions this year, 2026. So, because there's a heck of a strain, the government has borrowed a lot of money. In fact, 100% of the GDP, gross domestic product. That means that all the money that comes into the UK, the equivalent of that, they've borrowed. So things are tough. They can be fixed with the right leadership. So what I'm suggesting to you is just hang in there. And if you have got debt that's a bit of a strain, that's testing you, and you think that you may be going to miss some payments, before you miss the payments, get in touch with the lender and talk to them about the struggles that you're having, because it's believe me, I've been there back in 1992. I nearly lost everything, and then in 2001, after the divorce, I nearly lost everything again after my serious incident. And what I can say is, it is better to share your challenges with the people that matter. That's your family, but more so if you've got a mortgage, loans, car loans, any loans, kitchen loans, extension loans, anything that you've got, go to the lender before it gets in a position of dire straits, because they will help you to keep on top, and it will also stop you from getting a bad credit rating, which is the last thing you want. So any tips, just keep a watch out for my video blogs, which I'm going to be touching base with you more regularly now. And until we meet again, have a brilliant day, and remember, to successfully become, visit joeteams.com. Thank you.